Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to create a WeChat account. Firstly, get up for sign up on that selection, and then you can sign up via mobile or via Facebook. I will go via mobile. Now you can just add your name here, go for Cristiano Ronaldo, then simply now you need to add your region. As on my side it is Macedonia, go for it. Then go add your phone number, and then go on that accept and continue session, and you'll need to wait to get up to the full accomplishment on this side. As you can see here, you need to also accept this setup, go next. Now you need to go again next, and now as you see it says please wait. It needs to take that responsibility to take off to get your verification. It says security verification. You need to get up the verification code, and firstly you need to drag the slider below to fit the puzzle piece. Go for it, take that side. As you can see here, when I go OK, first thing what it comes to my mind, it's going to add friends because it has a new setup on this application. It also has a good features on it. Now go next and go again, agree on all these setups in which now you can just simply exit Singapore. And now guys, as you can see, we have created a WeChat account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.